this rainy day. Today we are presenting '23 Ram 1500. This is new Hot Wheels for 2024. It's mainline, red color, silver rims, very nice details. Do you collect Jeeps? We are Hot Wheels collectors for over 5 years. 1,000 Hot Wheels. Each day new events, new streams, new videos. Join us. Which Hot Wheels would you like to see next? Please make comments down below. Toys and Games channel. Toys and Game channels. Hot Wheels Racing, Hot Wheels presenting new Hot Wheels. Please like, share and subscribe for more. See you in next video. Bye.